Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a diversified portfolio with BlackRock. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the importance of a diversified portfolio. Diversification helps manage risk and optimize returns. Start by setting your investment goals. Decide whether your focus is on growth, income, or a balance of both. Next, determine your risk tolerance. Consider how much risk you are willing to take for potential returns. Research different asset classes available through BlackRock. These may include equities, fixed income, real estate, and alternatives. Open an investment account if you haven't already. Choose a brokerage that offers BlackRock products. Once your account is set up, begin by selecting a mix of assets. For long-term growth, consider allocating a larger portion to equities. Incorporate fixed income investments to provide stability. Real estate can add diversification and a potential income stream. Explore BlackRock's exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are a cost-effective way to invest in a diversified range of assets. Choose funds that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Review BlackRock's allocations and performance data. This can help you make informed decisions on fund selection. Consider automating your investments through dollar-cost averaging. Invest consistently over time to reduce volatility. Monitor your portfolio regularly to ensure it aligns with your objectives. Rebalance your portfolio as necessary to maintain your desired asset allocation. Stay informed about market trends and economic conditions. Adjust your investment strategy accordingly as the markets change. By following these steps, you can build a well-diversified portfolio with BlackRock. This approach helps you work toward achieving your financial goals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.